Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Benny Childs, founder of the Teach Me to Fish Effects trading community. I also go by the Forex Pastor. Why? Because I'm helping you to navigate through this Forex life and helping you guys to be profitable. All right. Always remember that there are risks involved whenever trading Forex. There are risks involved whenever trading or any type of investment that you get into, all the way down to your relationships. With that being said, also remember that I am not a professional financial advisor. I am just a gentleman who trades Forex, and I am profitable enough from Forex that it does help to sustain my household. Now that I have that out of the way, I'm going to get my ugly mug on the screen for you guys. All right. Um, and I'm going to use this mic here. All right. So this is my April 26, 2020 video episode 1. All right. And so I just kind of want to get into uh, just a trade that I held and just kind of explain to you guys what took place for you guys, and also share with you profits that I made last week. Okay. So um, I took this trade on Friday. All right, I took this trade on Friday after checking the news and doing some other things. I took this trade using my workflow trading system. Okay, and put me on the screen. I took this trade based on that, and so I was feeling really good. Kind of got into the market here. All right, it went up here. Now, using my workflow trading system, what I like to do is, especially if I'm trading um, the scalping the 15-minute chart using the market makers method. All right, my workflow trading system helps me to better identify the highs and the lows of the day. All right, or the M's and the W's. So typically, what I'll do is if I do scalp that, I'll begin to try to scale up because I preferably like to swing. Um, I'm not patient enough to wait on the daily. I can't wait on the daily, but I prefer the 4 hour because it kind of gives you that happy median between a scalper and a swinger. Okay, you can get some pretty, like here, you can get some pretty long runs off of the 4 hour. Um, so, um, so what I did was I took that trade on the 15 minute. All right, it went up. All right, and I kind of got this indication here that the market was getting ready to turn around off of its high of that day. And what I did was I scaled up to the 1 hour and just saw where the workflow trading system was showing me that hey, we're actually at an oversold exhaustion point. So you may want to hold on to it and just let it rot back on you. Okay, and eventually it did. It did that. All right, and so once I got this second leg off of the 1 hour here, I went ahead and got in with another trade. All right, my first trade was at a standard, and then the other trade was at $5. Okay, all right, and so the market opened up today, and so what I decided to do was I took the first trade off. All right, because the first trade was about, I want to say, if I'm not mistaken, the entry was about right here. All right, let me make this visible for you guys. I want to make it look like an entry line here. All right, so the first one was about right here. All right, and so now I kind of see where on the 15-minute chart the market is going to kind of do its fluctuation. So what I decided to do was to go ahead and take profit off of the first trade, which was a standard. I just did it. I just finished my weekly forecast for the Teach Me to Fish Effects trading community, and I was actually telling them that I was going to hold on to it And as soon as I ended it, I thought to myself, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and take some profit and go ahead and be in profit uh, this week. All right. And so far this week, we're already at, after paying the cost of doing business, because they took out swap and all that good stuff, um, that many brokers do. Some brokers don't, like FX Glory. They don't, but they get their money in other ways, but they don't do swap, they don't do commission. I use them from time to time, but anyway, the trade itself actually yielded $102.29. All right, and then after the cost of doing business, I'm left with $98.36 so far for the week. All right, and the current trade, the $5 trade that I left running so far is at $134.86. All right, and so again, on the 15-minute chart, it's showing that it is overbought on the TDI. Okay, but because I understand market structure, cycle, and manipulation, I'm gonna hold on to it. All right. Now, again, I understand it. I don't control it. All right. I don't control the market. I don't control what the market does, but I have a pretty good understanding of how the market works and where the market flows to. All right. And so because of that, I'm going to let this trade I'm going to let the very last trade that I got in, because I was able to get in on a more precise um, entry point, because again it reversed on me and was kind of bouncing, and then it finally went into profit a little bit, or kind of gave me a entry level. So I got in using proper account risk management, and for me, I used half of 1%. Since I was already in at half of 1%, I went in half of that. All right, and so which put me at $5. And so this is where we are right now. Currently, again, we're in a total profit of 120 $129.18. All right, and so we'll see how that works. And then, as promised, I wanted to show you guys how everything looked for last week. Okay, last week I had a profit of $453.82 for this particular account. So didn't do too bad last week. We'll see if we can do better this week. All right, guys, that's going to be it for me. I just wanted to come on and provide some type of context to your trading, also to inspire you. Hopefully, this was inspirational to you. If you guys would like to come over and trade with us and be profitable, one of the last videos that I did was a review of a new member of the trading community, who, out of their own being, stated that one of the days last week was the best trading day that they had yet. So that's just a testament to, the training that they receive in the Teach Me to Fish FX trading community. So if you want to be a part of that community and be profitable as well. All right, I'm not promising you, you're gonna get bag after bag after bag, and be able to live this rich lifestyle or anything like that. But I am promising you that you will be profitable. All right, and if you use proper account risk management, you can grow and compound your account. And I will show you how Forex can help sustain your life. So. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. I hope you enjoy the rest of your Sunday. I will be back sometime throughout the week to touch bases with you. As always, remember, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. And until next time, happy pip fishing. Bye bye.